Rolling ball under pressure. So now this next exercise, you're going to still be playing with rolling ball, but your partner's going to apply more pressure to your system. So you have to work on maintaining balance and focus towards their center. So what that looks like is, I'll borrow you, Noah, for a second, maybe just jump out, Carson, is you're doing the same exercise as before, but now you're going to increase the pressure by like stepping in and putting more force on them. Now, what Noah's objective is to do is just maintain state, ride the force. As the pressure comes in, he's not running away and stepping back. So you're not run away. He's not doing this. He's not running off, you know. You don't want to disengage. You still maintain forward connection. He's just riding the pressure. So as I put pressure towards him, he wants to let the shape spin as best as possible, right? But if the pressure's too much, he wants to try to maintain balance, maintain stance. Don't just fall back like a spazzo, right? So spine tall, focus to me. Shapes roll. And then as too much pressure comes on, he just rides that. And he tries to maintain stance, maintain focus, right? And further to that, if I now step back, he comes with, yeah? He wants to come with. So as I pressure him, he rides the force backwards, maintains his space. As I go back, he stays forward chasing, yeah? As I go back, he chases. As I go forward, he rides. Chases, ride, yeah? And he stays with me, so he also stays focused on my center. So it's like the facing, chasing exercise from the guard exercises in the last part of the curriculum, the Silam Tau level 1 part. So what that looks like now, maybe I'll get you guys to do it. All right, so rolling ball, so not looks out. Yeah. Yeah. So making it roll, that's right. You're used to it, yeah? So don't just fall backwards for no reason. First you want to be making sure the shapes roll. Keep going. You're letting the shapes roll as best as possible. As Carson puts too much targeted pressure on their center, he steps in towards his center, putting force on him, his hands should roll. You shouldn't feel like you get bumped back. It should feel like a natural riding. Yeah. So as Carson, so it shouldn't look like this. As Carson puts pressure towards me, it shouldn't look like this. I shouldn't be getting bounced off from tension in my shoulders. As Carson puts too much pressure on me, more. It's just like a natural riding, yeah? Keep. See, it's kind of like I'm in unison with him as opposed to getting bumped off. You understand? Yeah? All right, keep going. Move to the center. So Carson steps through, Noah has to ride that pressure. As Carson steps back, Noah has to stay with. So he's still focused at his center, he's still moving with him. So then even Carson goes to the left and right as he puts that pressure on him. Noah gets used to redirecting and rolling forces away from him whilst maintaining focus on the target. Yeah? Maintain stance, knees, toes pointed. Good, all right, switch, Carson's turn. So that's a nice, slow, easy pace they were practicing with there. Yeah? So once again, you should have a training partner by now. If you don't, go find one. And once again, guys, for you, the newer guys, just practice, the fundamentals here. Maintain space, keep balance, ride force, control the center. Guys who've been training for a while, state. It's all about the state. It's all about maintaining a sense of centering in your intention, sensing the whole body, sinking and dissolving, connecting to the opponent whilst moving. Okay, good. Alrighty, there's a ton more exercises that you can play around with on rolling ball, but there are a good couple of foundational ones for you to practice initially. Alrighty, once again, any questions, you know where to put them, and I look forward to seeing. Actually, you might not be watching this in the community, you might be watching this on YouTube. And if you're not in our community yet, make sure you jump in there because there's free courses, free curriculum, great chats and learnings in there. But also we have our private community as well for those who are really serious, who want to learn with us. We train pretty much 20 times a week together online, but also at our physical academy too. If you'd like to train with us online, potentially as a student or even as a teacher trainee, so that we can spread these teachings everywhere, then click the link below or click it in the community, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session.